Hey. It's me, Ronald. Today, I'm going to burn Nature Cat's cardboard rocket ship, then sell Daisy's phone. There, I can make a ton of money and buy myself a TV for my bedroom. He. Here is Nature Cat's cardboard rocket ship. Now, I'll set it on fire. Here is Daisy's phone. I'll steal it so I can sell it. He.
Excuse me, but can I please have that phone is selling?
Sure. It's $150.
Here's the money.
Thanks, and have fun with your new phone. I bought the TV I want. Nothing can get better than this.
Ronald, Daisy's phone went missing. What happened to that, as well as my cardboard rocket?
Yes, I burned your cardboard rocket and sold Daisy's phone for the TV that is in my room.
Ronald, how dare you burn my cardboard rocket and sell Daisy's phone? Now, I have to put in a lot of effort to build a new cardboard rocket, as well as buying Daisy a new phone. That's it. You're grounded for 987,165,432 years. Get in bed and go to sleep right now.